Hello and welcome to a tutorial on our new IoT controller, the Econo 328. My name is Volker Marx from Kendrium, and today we will be focusing on FLECS integration. That is, the ability to flexibly expand the controller with apps. Let's get started. In this short tutorial, I will show you what an IoT controller is and how FLECS turns it into a versatile automation tool. First, an overview of the Econo 328 hardware. The Econo is a compact IoT controller for IT, OT, and edge applications in control cabinets. Its hardware is based on the Raspberry Pi CM4 module and a powerful quad-core ARM processor. With its industrial-grade temperature range, it is ideal as a gateway, data node, or small control solution. The device has 3 separate gigabit Ethernet ports. 2 of these ports function as an internal switch, allowing them to act as a shared network. This allows the machine network to be cleanly separated from the company network without the need for additional hardware. 2 USB interfaces are also available. These can be used to connect mass storage devices as well as interface converters. Thanks to a Linux real-time operating system, the Econo 328 is also suitable for industrial and robotics tasks. Its robust design and integrated mini UPS keep the device stable even during short power interruptions, making it a reliable platform for modern networked automation solutions. Let's now turn to the software, which is the core of this tutorial. FLECS. What is FLECS? How does it work and what is it used for? FLECS is based on Docker and allows software to be installed and managed directly on the Econo 328 as an app. What is Docker? And why is it needed by FLECS? Docker is a container solution for software applications. Each app runs in its own isolated container that contains all the resources it needs. Containers are small, separate working environments in which an application gets exactly what it needs to run. This makes each app largely independent of the hardware, as long as the processor architecture is compatible. And it is precisely this container principle that FLECS uses to provide software on the Econo 328. FLECS takes care of downloading apps from a central marketplace, launching them as containers, and managing them in the background. For the user, this means that each application is cleanly separated, can be updated independently, and can also be completely removed if necessary. And all this without changing the basic system. This creates a modular environment in which the Econo 328 can be flexibly adapted to different tasks, depending on which apps are installed. A practical example of such an app is Node-RED. With FLECS, Node-RED can be installed directly like any other app and launched in the device's web browser. Node-RED offers a simple graphical interface for creating data flows, small logic functions, or connections between different systems. Many practical tasks can be implemented directly. These include collecting and forwarding sensor data, processing messages, programming small logic functions with switching signals, or creating simple automation sequences. An important focus is on communication. Node-RED supports common protocols such as MQTT, Modbus TCP, and OPC-UA. This allows data from sensors, machines, controllers, or cloud services to be read, processed, or forwarded. Data can also be written to or read from databases, for example, for historization, analysis, or simple process documentation. Node-RED is therefore particularly suitable when data needs to be integrated, translated, or linked across protocols without having to set up a complete PLC or software environment. We have now come to the end of this short tutorial. I hope that this overview of the Econo 328 and the possibilities offered by the FLECS platform has given you a clear impression of how flexibly the device can be used for different tasks. Thank you for watching and good luck with your future IoT projects.